Okay, I'm the speaker and you got to listen. So I'm only going to say and I'm only going to say it once, so please listen hard and careful. Today is my favorite subject and my business, and that's my business, Investors Team Realty. A year ago, November 5th, was our ribbon cutting, and that's the time we had over 100 people turn out and support the business. Since then, they have supported the business. All of you have, with the referrals and with all the advice and all the support that a new business needs from the chamber. The chamber has been pretty much a good part of it. And this is from Lee Iacocca. Says, your business is successful with people, product, and profits. And most important of all is people. If I'm in the way, just let me know. I'll try and move around to the other side. These are the people that were there at the last year's ribbon cutting that's since been present again in my business, and people, that is you, are the success story behind my 1 year anniversary. But again, importantly, I'm going to talk to you about real estate. And why am I telling you about real estate? Because this is part of the story too. There was a man driving down PCH at high speed, stopped by a policeman right over there. And the guy rolled down his window, and the policeman said, "Can I have your realtor's license?" And the guy said, "You mean my driver's license?" And he said, "No, not everybody has that." So everybody has a realtor's license. And you can reach out and you'll find your cousin, your neighbor's cousin, and stuff like that. All of them have a realtor's license. What I call, and a lot of them are, and then what happened, just to finish what happened after the policeman finished with this, I just kind of jumped a little. There you go. He got a $100 speeding ticket, and this is what he was having. So he got $250 for misleading the public. Sometimes realtors do that, not all the time, but once in a while we try to sneak one past and see if we'll go over. There you go. I think I'll move to this side. This will probably be easier for me. Okay, so can you see? I think this is also better from the microphone point of view. We're looking ahead since November 5th last year. What we did when we opened was to look back at how real estate business was done before. My brokerage has been in business for 30 years, and she has success stories. So you look back and say if you can repeat the successes, and it turns out that a lot of it is looking forward. Looking forward is we're looking at new tools. If you look at the new tools, farming has changed a lot, and now with new tools, it isn't that in these days people were starving. People were not starving these days, but you find with the new tools, you can feed far more people, and that's very much with any business. And if you haven't kept up to speed with your business technology, then you, of course, are lagging behind. On your table, there are a lot of paperwork that I put down, one of which is a secret agent document. This is a secret agent. In Laverne, how many real estate agents are with a Laverne address? Can anybody take a guess? Anybody? 10, 20, 50, 56. Anybody? Here's the number, 177. There are 177 real estate agents with a home address in Laverne. So you will find that all of them, or most of them, are secret agents because they don't let you know that they are agents until such time when a deal comes up. Now here is a deal that I have for those secret agents whom you might know. So if you don't know them, my purpose today is to help you to tell them a story that I have so that I can help them in return to achieve what they want to achieve in life. So we don't have any franchise fee, we don't have any office fees, we have zero desk fees, and we have zero junk fees. So there are no fees that you pay when you join Investors Team Realty. In addition to that, we provide you with your exclusive website. We have a short sale processor. We have a transaction coordinator. We provide you your business card that you see on your table, all the marketing material. We provide you with farming material. We provide you with the door hangers. And most importantly, we provide you letter of commission insurance. We provide you access to social media. I think you all have seen Vince Perez working with me, and in the past he has been helping a lot of people in social media. He's our head honcho there. You don't pay him, I do. So if you have an agent who joins us, I take care of what Vince Perez provides. And so we provide the training, marketing, and all that helps you be successful. Because what happens is when you start a new business as an agent, your insurance, your printing material, your marketing material, your media presence easily costs you minimum $3,000 before you can really say you're fully in business. You take care of that expense. So basically, as soon as you walk through the door and say, Ron, I want to join your company, I have my real estate license, what are you going to do for me? This is what we're going to do for you. We provide you all this material that's on your table, no charge to you. This is, again, if you notice the beautiful design in here, this is all by Debbie. Debbie from, Digel? I forget her name here. And she's been a great help in trying to produce new marketing material. So that's your marketing material. We also provide you with brochures. So in case you have you're presenting at the church or at the Thursday downtown marketplace, we have flyers for you to give them out. But more importantly, we provide you all the technology, everything that you need to get your business on internet. And this is the technology we will help you with all the apps that you can download on your cell phones. We provide you, if you really look at in the past years, it has taken the news print media 38 years to get to the radio. It has taken television 13 years to get to 50 million people. It has taken internet 4 years to reach 50 million people. As soon as you get on the internet, you will reach 5 or 10 people, but for you to be recognized, it takes about 4 years. And if you have an iPod or iPad, it takes you 3 years to get your name out on the internet. Now, I have a bottle of wine for anybody who can tell me which is better than this to get yourself on the internet. Oh, no, you can't answer that. That was make a sex tape. So I think I need to recruit you in that department. Vince, have we got that covered, or do we need an additional person? Oh, we got that covered. Okay, thank you.
Tweeting.
Printing?
Tweeting.
Twitter.
Tweet. Okay. The fastest. Go ahead. Facebook. That's it. For a bottle of wine, in 2 years you can get on Facebook. Last week I was talking to some other presentation. Yeah. If you don't drink wine, it's okay.
Yay!
A lot of people say, I'm no longer on the Facebook, I don't use Facebook, it's no good for me. Facebook is a social place, not to do business. Wrong. Don't move away from Facebook. That is the place, that is the area where people recognize you, and that's where people think of repeat business. If you're not present there, they don't remember you, they'll go to the next guy. So we provide you the Facebook presence, we provide you Google presence, and again, every time I say we, I mean Vince, because he's the exclusive person in that department. We have several websites, we are on top searches on several websites, and you'll find we rank among the top ones that come for Laverne. We also provide you a video, just to see what he's doing right now. We're producing a video so we can put you on YouTube, things like that. And in addition to that, we provide you the website that you need for your own promotion. And did I mention this was free? That you don't have to pay for it. As soon as you sign up with me, this is all paid for. And we provide you the cloud presence. So your mobile, you're not tied down to the desk. You don't have to come into the office and work from your PC. This is all part and parcel. In case you have a tablet and you don't know how to make notes, here we have Vince. He will book time with you and show you how to do that. We've done that in the past year, and we found a lot of success where the agents were afraid to be on Facebook. We now have our agents on Facebook. And also we have services in the store. where we provide you with business card scanners. A lot of people don't use this a lot, but this is the best way. When you collect 50, 60 cards from here, just put it through a scanner, and suddenly you've got all the information on your computer. And you can use it to market anyway. You get the emails, you get the phone numbers, whatever way you want to market it. In case you have phone numbers, we'll also provide you do not call list. We scrub the list and let you know which numbers you can call, which a fine is $2,500 if you call the wrong person. And so we have all these ideas here, and to make an agent successful, if you know anybody who is a secret agent and needs some help, ask them to come to me, and mine is to say thank you all for being there for me, for supporting me, and right now hearing me out. And thanks for all the referrals which has made me successful in the last year. Thank you.